Let me take the time. I know you like when I describe it. I've been lying to
actually replied to their email because I had a couple of you guys in my comments and in my messages asking if I could review this company specifically. So I was like, okay, actually they sent me an email. So it was kind of perfect. So thank you to everyone who actually asked me to review this company. I love when y'all give me stuff to do because I be getting bored. Currently, I've been pretty sick, and so I wanted to do a more natural look. Something that I would actually do in my day-to-day life. Like, if I'm sick, ain't no way I put some pink eyeshadow and some big old eyelashes. I'm just not. Today's makeup look is very natural, and also my hair is also very natural. This is the type of style I would wear when I am like sick or tired or just going to the store. You know, the simple day-to-day stuff. I actually love this look so much. Just a straight 1B long unit. You can never go wrong. It's like a classic. There was a fly. Let me just give you the details on this wig. This is a 24-inch 13x4 lace front wig. It just says straight. If you want more information, I'll have the link down below so you can actually go check it out. Even though it says 24, it's pretty much layered. So the top half isn't exactly 24. But it's still pretty long. Oh, also, this t-shirt is from their company. I guess they sell shirts as well, but I thought it was so freaking cute. You ain't gonna ask me to wear a cute t-shirt, okay? Look at her little afro hair. Cap construction. You have comb in the back, comb on the side, comb on the other side, and a comb in the middle, and adjustable straps in the back so you can tighten it if you needed to. Let me just get into how I got this look, which was actually very fast. So I put the wig on my head and I sprayed it with some water so that I could part it in the style that I wanted it. I probably have, I don't know, maybe 3 inches of parting space. It did come pre-plucked in the front a bit, which was very nice because that's like a huge thing that you have to do that takes a lot of time. I don't like that. So that was nice. But it did not come bleached, so I had to go on ahead and pluck the hairline a bit and go over it with some concealer just to make it stand out a little bit more. I also went over the lace with some foundation to also get it to blend in a little bit more. After that, I cut some baby hairs and I sleeked them down with some Eco Styling Gel. You totally don't have to do this, but since it was a straight unit, I just wanted to jazz it up a little bit. Just a little bit. I went in with some argan oil. I freaking love this argan oil. It smells so good and it works so well on wigs. I get it here in Japan, sorry, so I don't know where you can get it, like in the US or anything. But if you're ever in Japan, you can find it in a lot of stores. After that, I flat ironed it, and I really didn't have to because it was pretty straight already. And also, the other really good point about this wig, the top is so flat. Oh. Thank God. So it's super flat and it just lays down. I did not have to lay this wig whatsoever. I didn't have to go in with the hot comb, the flat irons, the mousse, none of that. It just laid down very well. And that was it. That was it. I did not sew in an elastic band just because it actually laid down pretty well without it. It's really pretty. Like, it's so pretty and just easy and sleek. I like the look. If you have less parting space, usually the price is a lot cheaper. So that's something to consider. So the good stuff, as I said, it's like laid. It's very flat, right out the box, so you don't have to do all that trying to mold the dang wig down to your head. I also like that it was pre-plucked, and I like the elastic band in the back. So yeah, if you want any information on this wig, all of the links, the information will be down below, or on this shirt. I think it's cute. It's not like a t-shirt material, it's like a jersey material. I don't know, I like it. That is it, you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below. I will get back to you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe so I can